Hey guys, what's up? It's me Jean back with another video. So in this video I'll be unboxing a weight scale machine, and today I have also a special thing to show you. If you're my follower, you may have seen the before video, and that's a smart light from Wipro that I have bought, and I have done a video about it also. If you want to check it out, you can go check it out. After watching this video, I'll be giving the link in the description, and I'll be giving it over here or here, both of them, and you can go check it out. So let's get started. This product from Amazon, and it came in a huge box. Now opening it is a little hard, but and this is also my first time opening it. I have not broken the seal. Okay. As you can see, the branding is right here, Hesley. And as you can see, it's written over here, Hesley digital bathroom weighing scale. No, it must be wrong. I bought a weighing scale, not a bathroom weighing scale. Anyways, I think it's waterproof because it's a bathroom weighing scale, right? And is she doing yoga in the bathroom? Don't know. Let's first open it. Oh yeah, here's the side. First time opening. And again a cardboard box, and it's round, it's heavy guys. Oh my god, it's heavy. It's like glass. I think it's glass. It's ceramic. I think it's ceramic, or is it glass? Oh my god, I don't know if what happens if I stay on it. I'll quickly turn it upside down, and if you want you can pause the video and read this. And you can see there are all of these grippers which help you keep this in one place without moving. In all of the sides, these are there in all of the sides. Oh, where is it made from? Okay, I can't see that. Oh, it says some error codes or something like that. Error code LO. When the LCD indicate LO, please open the battery cover and replace the new battery. Okay, is it like this? So it's not turning on, is it? Nope, it's not turning on. I think you should put the battery or something in it. As you can see, here's the battery compartment. There's no on button. There is something wrong with this, so I'll just check it. Is the battery in place or no? Nope. So 2 small batteries, I think so, yeah. And oh my god, I thought it was some small batteries which are already given. So now I should go to the shop and buy. I'll go to the market and buy this battery and come. AA batteries, 2 AA batteries, I think so. So guys, let me just go quick and buy it and come. Guys, so I went quickly and bought some batteries and put on it, so it started to work. Now let us check my weight now. I'll just let it sit down again. 46.40 kilogram, and it's also showing the temperature. It's 29 degrees Celsius and the battery is full. Okay, that just came out. I think think I didn't insert it properly. I'll just do that again. Yes, and as you can see, here's the weight of my hand. 3 kilogram, 2 kilogram. Don't look at the weight. It's 29 degrees Celsius and the battery is at full. Guys, that was a short unboxing and testing of this weighing machine, the Hesley weighing machine, as it is written over there. I'll be giving the link in the description again in this video of this brand, and you can go check it out if you want, and you can also buy it if you want. Just lose. That is the affiliate link of this Amazon's page of this Hesley weighing machine. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. It would be marvelous. And until next time, this is Jean signing off.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in.